much to say, but man, I still think that gets so crazy. They were asking if you were around, how it was where you could be found. Told them you were living downtown, driving all the old man crazy. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. The chick that used to dance a lot, every night she'd be on the floor shaking what she got. When I tell you she was cool, she was red hot. I mean she was steaming. And that time I went to Johnny's place. Well, this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. Man, we just fell about the place. And if the chick don't wanna know, forget her. Boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. 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 The boys are back in town. Boys are back in town. Spread the word around. Guess who's back? Spread the word around. Guess who's back in town? Friday night they be dressed to kill. Down Dino's bar and grill. The drinks will flow and the blood will spill. And if the boys wanna fight, you better let them. That jukebox in the corner blasting out my favorite song. Night's getting warmer, it won't be long. Won't be long till the summer comes. Now that the boys are here.